YouTube, good morning. It's your boy, C-Time, hair guy.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Back again. I'm about to head out. I just got finished showered, I'm brushing the tizzies. About to go and do some stuff for work. But I want to do a video real quick. Show y'all the new style I'm rocking right now. Actually, let's get into it, man. Hope everyone's ready for Christmas. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Mine was pretty good. And got the fish bones again. This time I did it. I didn't blow dry my hair. I didn't stretch my hair out at all doing these. So, I mean, it don't look short or anything. Nothing short on it. You know what I'm saying? They still look long. They look pretty good for not having it like blow dried out or anything. My hair was just a straight fro when she did it. I probably did it a couple times, but I mean, these came out clean for not having it blow dry. Just combed out, picked out and detangled and stuff. Other than that, it was just a fro. You know what I'm saying? They came out clean. And yeah, I did my own lineup. Couldn't find the barbershop again. For some reason I can't line the two up to get a haircut in a lineup. My hair braided in a lineup at the same time, and I just did it myself. Trimmed the beard up and shit. So other than that, that's all I wanted to show y'all. We got the fish bones back in. I like this style. Like I said, you'll be seeing this style plenty of times, especially when my hair get longer, and then my hang time, lay on my shoulder, because I'm digging this style for real. Like, shit is dope. But that's all, y'all. Just want to do a little quick video. I gotta get out of here, man. I got stuff to do for work. But I am gonna holler at y'all. Y'all keep throwing, keep going. Hit me up in the comment section. Look out for any of the shorts I'll be doing. Look out for any videos I'll be posting up. You're watching this video, subscribe, like, unlike, or dislike, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That's it right there, y'all. Holla at y'all.